I'm gonna have some fun here. I'm cooking fried rice, but I'm not using fried rice. I'm doing a fried rice, cauliflower fried rice. So you start by putting on the things that take the longest to cook. Put some red bell pepper, some more oil, a little sweet money, a little sweet money hot. Next, some ground chicken. Now what I have this one about 450 degrees. I have this one about 350. A little steaming action there. And now, ground chicken. Sweet money hot. So sweet money. Well, where I want it. Now this side I'm going to turn down pretty low, about 250. Go over here. A little bit of teriyaki. Okay kids, here's where it gets fun. Okay, now it goes very quickly. Rice cauliflower. More sweet money hot. More sweet money. More oil there. English peas. Look at that. Edamame because there's an Asian flavor. Carrots because I can. Now it starts getting real good. Look at this. Really delicious, kids.